Hi, crafty friends. It's here, Cheeky Bomb, and I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul because I found some goodies. So I found a few things that were on my wish list, and then just a couple like just random finds that I was very excited about. So we are gonna dive right into it. I did find another new item in the Crafter Square section. They have these little kits of like what is it, embroidery floss. I didn't really need all of the colors. I really kind of just wanted these two, but I thought that I'd get all four that I seen so that you can see what colors are out there. There's 6 packs. I mean, this stuff is usually what, like $1 something a piece. I know Joann's would have them on sale all the time, but we don't have Joann's. But I thought that I would show you. So if you have, like, I've used them for just adding string, adding twine, tassels, stuff like that. So I have used this quite a bit. Or if you have kids that like friendship bracelets or anything like that, I think that these are good little kits if you can find them. So we have like more of like the standard, I don't know, basic colors. We have the pastels, we have a brights, and then like the neutrals, like the blacks, white, grays. So thought those were cool. I picked up a couple more of the Peep containers. Again, I don't think I'm going to do any kind of Easter crafting, but in case they didn't come out next year, I just happened to see them. I didn't even go down the Easter aisle. They were just on an end cap, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 more. So I have them in my stash because I needed them. I also found this duck, and it is Buzz Lightyear. It's so cute. They have a lot of different ducks. I'm guessing for Easter baskets and stuff. I think there was Stitch. I feel like I've seen a few other characters, but I can't think of them at all. I am a Jeeper. I do have a Jeep. But I got Buzz because my oldest son was addicted to Toy Story, and he actually had a Buzz costume. How old was he? 2 or 3? I think maybe he was 3. And he changed his name to Buzz for like 2 months. Like, I couldn't call him by his name. He would not answer to Gabriel. He's like, my name is Buzz Lightyear. So I had to get that because it was too cute. I found lemon embroidery emery boards. Gosh, I could not think of the name. The longer one, so I can put them in like the Chaos Craft like little holder. And of course, I really liked these colors. I'm doing some lemon stuff, so I picked that up. I found some new like teaching tree stuff too that I thought that I could use in like junk journaling and stuff. I know that this one has a label here, but this could easily be covered up. But they're just like kind of, they were just little notebooks, and I thought that they were really cute. Even with all like the little stickers. I don't know. I'll probably share with friends, see if anybody else wants some, because there's 30 in here. I really don't need 30, but I thought that they were cute. In a good size. They weren't too big. I also found this little calendar, and it's got lemons. So I don't know. I thought that this could kind of be cute in like if I did any kind of like lemony junk journal, summery junk journal, because even though it has days of the weeks, I still thought it would be cute somehow, some way to incorporate, or just to put on my desk and have like a little list of the crafty things that I need to do in each day. I just like stuff like this, and it had lemons on it. It made me very, very springy. So I liked it. This was the other teaching tree thing I found. They're just sticky notes. I know this one says teacher, but you still have like lined, that you could do something with. But I thought like the little cup and the pencil were super cute. You have a little chalkboard. You can write on here with like white pen or something. I don't know. I just thought that they were really cute. So I picked them up. I also picked up this like ledger pad because so I could have in junk journaling, so I could have some different textures, and this is on the thin side. I know that like sometimes you like to mix like thinner papers, tissue, vellum, anything to give just different textures, and I thought that this could be fun to play with. I don't know. Picked up some bubble mailers, some just bigger ones, and then some more fruity ones for, Happy Meal and stuff. And then this I have 2 bags of good stuff. I found, of course I found more clips. Why would I not, right? Like, how cute are these little Star Wars clips? I thought that they were really cute. I found the Alice in Wonderland little lip glosses. Like, how stinking cute are these? Especially the little teapot. Even if you didn't want to do some kind of Alice thing, say you wanted to like gift these in swaps. I love like putting this kind of stuff on like a tag flip. But you could easily, if you take this out and you can put this on like a dangle, and you could cover this up or take, I don't know if rubbing alcohol would take it off, but I know that fingernail polish probably would, or put a sticker over it for like a T-swap. I just thought it was really cute, and I wanted it for my stash. I also found this one, which is the Queen of Hearts. This is a good one for like a tag flip, and so is this one. Look how cute this is. A little Queen of Hearts little, it's like a little lip palette. You get like all of these little lip glosses, but how cute is the little card? Just the packaging. Even if you like dug all this out, and I don't know, it's just the packaging is too cute. But I do hear like you must get like a little brush in there or something. I finally found the Nightmare Before Christmas lotions. This is all I could find. I did not find a Zero, unfortunately, but I found 2 Sallys and a Jack. I also found new colors of these colored pencils. They're erasable. They're just really cute. I like them. I think they work really nice, and I have used them. So now I have some more colors to put in my stash. We have like a skin tone pack. I think there's like a basic, like basic colors. And then I want to say that I've forgotten 3 packs already. I think this is pack number 4. Maybe it was pastels. I don't know. I don't remember. I found some new ribbons. These are just giving me kind of summery vibes too. So this is like an orange. They did have one that was a pink and red. It was giving me very like Christmassy Valentine's Day vibes. I didn't grab it. I just grabbed the orange because these were more summery for me, and I just wanted those in my stash. What else did I find? I found the lip glosses. Again, no Zero. I only found these 2, so I don't know if there's Zero. I know that there's a Zero lotion, and there's a Zero mask. I found all 3 of the mask, but I've only found 2 of the lip masks. This one is a lavender vanilla, and this one is strawberry rose. I found the new containers and the new scents. So we have a sugared pistachio and vanilla cream. I don't know what these smell like. Let's smell them. Ooh, the vanilla is really good. Ooh, it's kind of like musky. It kind of reminds me of like a Bath and Body Works, like Twilight Woods kind of ish. And then the sugared pistachio. It's a very light smell. It's not super strong. I feel like I smell sugar, but I don't know about pistachio. But I did find them, so I'm happy. Oh, I did find a Zero lotion. Okay, so I do. Maybe it was just the mask that I was looking for that I couldn't find. So Zero is cherry blossom scent. Okay, so those are the lotions I found. But I also found, okay, I'm running out of room on my desk. I also found the strawberry shortcake ones. I did find these for a friend that was looking for them. So I was able to get 2 of the strawberry ones and only 1 of these ones. So I'm surprised that there was an extra strawberry one. I don't know why, but I'm happy with these. I think the lemon one smells really good. They all smell pretty good. I think they're covered, so I can't smell them. But like out of the candles, I really liked the lemon and the blue. Was it the blue? Well, there's one that I didn't get, but I found those. And I also last item in the haul was a strawberry shortcake bath bomb. So I'm gonna put this in there with the strawberry ones as well. so I don't know if that's all of the strawberry shortcake items. I don't remember. But yes, I had somebody looking for them, so I was able to find them. So I'm going to ship those out to her. And she just had a birthday, so happy birthday. And yeah, that's my haul. Like I said, I found some stuff that I've been looking for. I was really looking for the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff because so many people liked them, and the Alice stuff. And yeah, everything else was just kind of a good find. So I hope that everybody has good luck out there. Keep on looking. If you don't find something that I found and you want it and I can still get it, I will be happy to get it for you. You just let me know. But anyway, I hope everybody has good luck out there. And oh, side note, I did see somebody. Who was it that hauled it? Was it? Ooh, who was it? I just watched the video yesterday and somebody hauled some new stickers. I think it was Alyssa who was crafting to cope, hauled some new stickers for the crafter square. I have not seen any new stickers. My sticker wall is bare. So there is hopes there is some new stuff coming in sticker wise. So keep on the lookout for those, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.